Open Play Store app. Download Ozone app. Sign up to your account. Follow the registration process. Enter OTP received on your email address. Set your password. Click on Add button. Click on Video Surveillance. Click on Smart Camera. Click the QR code. Select the indicator prompted on screen. Click on Next. Enter Wi-Fi details. Click on Next. Please scan the QR code from 15 to 20 centimeters away from the camera screen. Device added successfully. Tap on the video recorder to record and store videos. Use microphone to communicate with ease and comfort. Camera lets you take and store pictures of the visitors. How to enable motion detection. Select Ozone Smart Wi-Fi video camera. Tap on Alarm. Tap to enable motion detection alarm. A text notification will be sent on your mobile when camera detects any motion. How to watch recorded videos in your app. Click on Playback. You are able to watch your recorded videos. Select the video you want to watch.